Hi folks, so here we have the Maxflow Yanmar diesel 10 horsepower machine. So this particular one has a Comet RW5030 pump on it, all Italian pump. She is belt driven, most reliable way to drive these machines. That's producing 18 litres a minute at 3000 PSI, so 200 bar pressure. You've got your hose reel option on top, standard 30 metre, 100 foot of hose. You have the option to put up to 40 metres on this reel, no problem if you need an extra little bit of length. This diesel machine comes electric start, so at the push of a button, she starts nice and handy, so ease of starting as well. The diesel tank, diesel engine on that means you can run all day. It's slightly more economical compared to your petrol machine. Now all Maxflow machines come with the standard Q-style quick release. So if you have a turbo lance or you want to add that on, she already comes with the fittings required to do that. So very quick and easy. That's how simple it is to swap over to your turbo lance, or a foam bottle attachment as well, surface cleaner, all the attachments you can think of. The Maxflow machines come with that already pre-set up, so it's very quick and easy to do. This machine will be perfect for farmers, commercial cleaners, people looking to go out and do this as a business or get started in that industry. This is the machine for you.